What's up, warriors? The water level in your toilet bowl is low. We need to raise this up. Sometimes this problem can even prevent a flush. Really easy fix. Might not even require any tools other than a screwdriver. Problem is, not enough water is getting into the fill tube. The level's low. To fix this, we got to raise the float. Now, if you have a slow flush, stick around to the end. I'll show you some tips and tricks for that, but let's show you how to DIY. Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. We want to set the level for our fill for this tank. The manufacturers are going to recommend different settings to 1.6 gallons flush below, and it's going to say in the inside of the tank on most toilets, set water level, and in this case it says 1 inch below overflow. In order to achieve this, we're going to adjust the height of the float by bringing it up a little bit. That's accomplished simply by turning the float rod. In some cases, you're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver or even your hands like I'm doing here. In other cases, this has got a little twisty knob on the top, if you've seen that inside of your toilet. Now we're cranking it down in order to bring the float up. We're cranking it clockwise in order to bring the float up. And you can see we're going to keep going until water will turn back on. And then when it stops, we're right there about 1 inch below the top of the overflow. That's going to give you optimum gallons per minute flushing power, as well as conserving water and preventing another inch of space there before you would worry about overflowing again. There you have it, really easy. If you feel like we've earned it, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and if you have a slow flush, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching Warrior House DIY. We'll see you in the next video.